So inside outside vision. Let me ask you, how do you think this dude feels? It's likely you'll probably say he feels like he's pretty cool, he feels like he's pretty popular, and like he's having a good time in life. So now I'm going to add a bit more to the scene. Now tell me how you think he feels. Well, now you're probably going to say that he's sad and he's masking how he feels. And so this is a skill that we call inside outside vision. And it's a way of helping us, as well as young people, really understand that how we look on the outside and how we feel on the inside is different. So we do a skill called inside outside vision, where we help young people guess, like you could guess how I look on the outside and how I might be feeling on the inside. And then I'm going to guess how you look on the outside and how you feel on the inside. And we're going to track that. And what we notice is that what happens on the outside and what happens on the inside is often different. You see, humans are designed to guess and to mind read and to feel read how people are going. And that's a good skill, but sometimes we get it wrong. So inside outside vision can help us know, well, how you look and what's going on for you on the inside might be different. And I need to check. And there's also a really important part of that. And that is that how I look, or how, if you're a young person, how they look and how they feel could be really different. And sometimes people don't know. So sometimes they've got to reach out and ask for help because people can't guess. Inside outside vision. It's a really useful skill for friends, for family, for parents, for teachers.